Hey y'all. Hey guys. I don't even know how to start a YouTube video anymore. Hi. There's a car right there. Welcome back to my channel. What is up? What's cracking? I know it's been so long that I haven't been on here. I don't need an explanation to why I was gone for so long. But yeah, I was gone. That's all you need to know, because you know, I'm not even gonna make up an excuse because it's gonna be lame. I just haven't posted because I haven't felt like posting.
What the fuck?
So I tried filming this video yesterday, but who cares? Today I'm just gonna film a chit chat get ready with me, trying to attempt to do makeup even though I cannot. And yeah, let's just see how this goes. Let's just do it. So we're gonna try to do something pinkish, cranberry-ish, I don't know, while I talk about nonsense that you guys don't care about. So first, I'm gonna put on the orange corrector from LA Girl Pro Concealer. I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm not even a beauty guru. What am I even? I tried filming this video yesterday. What? You tried filming this video yesterday? Yes, I did. Okay. But my eyebrows were not done. My mom's like,
Mija, ya te hiciste las cejas, ahora haz otro video.
and I'm like, why? She's like, cause your eyebrows don't look crusty anymore. I was like, if you guys don't know this, it's already June. Duh. I'm a junior in high school, and now since it's in the end of the year, you could consider me as a senior. Oh my god. So it's gonna be my last year, and this is my last week, and I come out on Thursday, and it's Monday today. So I'll talk about my junior experience. SATs suck. ACTs suck. Everything sucks, honestly. All the AP tests that you take suck. Like, it's so much anticipation and for nothing. Like, honestly, like, I don't understand anything. Like,
I'm so dumb.
my sister tells me all the time, she's like, wait till you go to college. I'm like, wow, thanks, sis. I'm putting on orange. Jesus, I don't know my colors. Do I need to go back to kindergarten? This is why I'm not going to pass the SATs. Because I don't even know my colors.
What the fuck?
So yeah, I'm gonna be a senior. That's not crazy. Let me go wet my sponge. Hold on. Oh, Jesus. Alright, let's go. So now I'm taking a 24-hour foundation Berlin concealer.
Bitch, is you blind?
This actually gives you full coverage, but since my face is oily, like, it's kind of weird for me. I don't know. Junior year was a pain in the booty talks because there's a lot of work, especially if you're taking AP classes. Like, Jesus help your soul, honestly. Like, you gotta. I was such a big procrastinator, y'all. And just putting it out there, like, I don't know if it's just me, but junior year I lost motivation. I didn't have motivation for anything. Like, I didn't. Like, I remember freshman year, sophomore year, I had. What the heck? Something fell off of my roof. I had like 10 mental breakdowns in 1 week. How is that even possible? I don't even know. I managed to pass them, and that was that. Like, I passed my finals. Okay, who cares about school, honestly? Let's switch the topic up. Honey, you could have switched the topic up like 30 seconds before. Like, I really got bored. I got so bored of that part that I've left like this video unedited for a whole freaking month. It's like June 27th now, and I recorded this like the 1st of June. I'm not even kidding. You know what? Let me just finish applying this foundation now. So I know I said I was gonna stop talking about school, but I have like 2 more things to say about school. First of all, long story short, I had hypothermia while I was taking the SAT. Like, I was literally getting hypothermia. The AC wouldn't turn off while I was taking the SAT, and I went to go tell my teacher about it. He said that he would try to fix it, but it never fixed. The people that are going to score my SAT, when they're reading my essay, they're like, what the heck did she write? Well, you want to know why it came out so ugly? Because I was like this the whole time while I was taking the SAT. Another thing is, honestly, just give up in school. Like, just drop out. Like right now. Just do it. Like, while you have the chance, like, just drop out. Now that I look like... Okay, now stuff that is not new. I'm still filming with an iPhone, if you can't tell by the sucky quality. Y'all, so after I'm done putting on concealer and foundation, I just go in with the Revlon Color Stay pressed powder in the shade Light Medium. And then I grab this little brush right here, and then I put it in here. And then I just dab it on there. Dab it on there. Dab it on there. And then after that, I take this big Real Tech BH Cosmetics brush and just put that poop all over my face. Okay, can we just talk about how good the 1975 new song is? A lot of people are like,
oh my god, like it sounds so dumb, like I don't even like it.
I'm like, you know what?
What the fuck is up, Kyle?
Now I'm applying the Rimmel London Natural Bronzer. The shade Sunlight. Y'all know that I've been having this blush since forever, but it doesn't like go away. It's in the shade Guava by Laura Geller, and I've been having this since forever. Why am I gonna go spend more money on another blush if I already have one right here? I'm gonna brush my eyebrows. Okay, so with these two colors, Cover and Primo, I'm gonna put them on my eyebrows. And then I just go back in with this and brush them. Okay, first, before I start getting into eyeshadow, I'm not a beauty guru. I do not know how to do eyeshadow. I don't know how to do anything. So I'm just gonna wing it, you know? I think I'm gonna use Modern Renaissance palette, the Anastasia one. Makeup tutorials with Jasmine. So I think I'm gonna take this one and use it as a transition shade, whatever color this is. So let's just do this. Oh, I don't know what color to use. We're gonna do this. Can you please leave? Alright, y'all, so
Garcia Sanchez Santa Maria La Niña Pinto Pacífico Benito.
wow. Honestly, this is gonna be a disaster. Stopped. Going through Julia Button AP, yeah. Slide in the water like a jet ski, yeah. Alright, y'all, so I think we're gonna go on with this.
Motherfucking, down.
Venetian red. I don't know how to read. Take this little brush and just put it in there. Like that. And see if it makes it. Ooh, I see you. Come from the land of the ice and snow where the midnight comes and the hot springs blow. Now I know this side is messed up, but jeez, don't jump to conclusions. Like I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. I'm a beauty girl. I'm a professional beauty makeup artist. I don't know what I'm doing. This video is gonna be so long. Okay, since I want to make this part like much more darker, not much more, but a little, I'm gonna take this lip one. I took this purple, like this really dark purple, and I'm gonna put that in there, just to give it a little detail. So I think what I'm gonna do is take Primavera from the Anastasia palette. So just letting y'all know that I did like a supposedly cut crease. Like I was really trying to be that bee, but I didn't explain it and I don't know why. Alright, so I got that in there. Looks pretty snazzy if you ask me. If y'all could see a dumb mosquito like flying around me, like I don't know if it's just my house, but comment down below if like get away! If mosquitoes have taken over your house. I don't know how to do eyeliner. This makeup look would look so much better with eyeliner. Alright, that's as good as it could get, ladies and gents. Now we're just gonna apply tempera into my brow bone. You know what I'm saying, I say? Okay, I think I did like something like this. See that? Clean. This side looks so much different. But honestly, I gave up. Okay, so now we're gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, Modern Renaissance. We're gonna take Vermeer, and we're gonna put it on the corner of the eye. Just a little slight bit like this, and just move it in a downward motion, as you can see. I have no idea why all of a sudden I turned British. And another thing is that I told y'all I was not a beauty guru, so don't come at me at my messed up eyeshadow. I know one of them is more gold than the other, so don't come at me, bruh. She's stunting, bro. She's stunting. I just have this really cool. So now we're taking this one, the Luminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. This stuff is holy grail, y'all. Then I take the Maybelline, the Colossal Big Shot Styling Express mascara to give me a little oomph. To finish off everything, y'all are probably like, where's the highlighter? Girl, I got you. I got the e.l.f. Moonlight Pearls one. Once again, cheap, but pretty good. Then I take this brush and I go like this, because since it's not a fan brush, I like to squeeze it. And then I just go like that. And boom, girl, you got yourself some highlight. I take Winter Candy Apple What's New freshman year. Yes, I eat this.
What the fuck?
Don't judge me, okay? It tastes good. Like, I just like.
Everybody was kung fu fight.
I swear to God, I'm a Kung Fu Panda the mosquito right now. Alright, y'all. So before you guys ask, no, I do not use setting spray. I'm not that advanced in makeup. Thank you. But this is a final look. Wow, I'm an Instagram baddie. Oh, look at me. I'm stunning. Thank you all who actually watched this. 400 subscribers. Thank you. I only get like 5 views in a video. What am I even saying? If y'all want to watch more videos, just let me know. I probably will do some in the summer. But I said that like 2 years ago and I never uploaded again. Ooh. But if I feel a little motivated or whatever, then I'll do it, you know? Alright. That's it. Thanks.
I'm not trying to complicate none of this, so let me just come tell you how I